Hi guys, I'm Justin Pichetrungsi. I'm a chef owner of my family's restaurant. So I always like to have some fried rice as my quick meal to do at home. I think fried rice and salads is so easy to do. It doesn't take up a lot of space. It's one pot usually. So for fried rice, if you always have some rice cooking, you can take day-old rice that's been in the fridge and you can just heat it up with eggs and some of your leftover steak from last night, some of your roast chicken from last night, you can put it in with some vegetables. You have a beautiful meal that's reinvigorated those ingredients in your fridge. So learning how to make a good fried rice is that may be the key to unlocking your potential as a home cook.